Hello, this is Aaron Bennett here on the most beautiful beach right now. Gorgeous, gorgeous weather out. It's about 72 degrees. And I'm speaking to you from a place of just pure gratitude. You know, before I put this video on, I was just walking around, kind of dancing on the beach, you know, looking probably like a bit of a dork because there's some people here, but I don't really care. I was really feeling connected and really feeling just grateful for waking up and getting to enjoy this place and living where I get to live and just having this gift of nature that we can all enjoy. And I wanted to talk to you today, something that really, it came to me as I was kind of dancing and moving on the beach. Now, when I first got started with, make sure you can hear me, I can't really tell because the waves are pretty loud. When I first got started with gratitude, and when I first got started with, you know, making a gratitude list and being grateful, things like that, it used to become a practice. You know, like every morning for 2 minutes I would be grateful. And what that did is it helped rewire my mind to become grateful and to learn how to be grateful. And because before that I wasn't a negative person, but I definitely was not a grateful person. You know what I mean? So a couple years ago, about 7 years ago, had I learned about the gratitude process. And what I've begun to realize, and it really hit me again right before I turned on this video, is we go from a place of doing gratitude and thinking of things we're grateful for and all those great practices, and then all of a sudden it becomes just a state of being. So the gratitude becomes a state of being. You're no longer doing gratitude, you're no longer thinking about gratitude. You are feeling and being and living from a space of just pure and unadulterated gratitude, you know, and it's a shift, and you may have experienced that already. Maybe you're living in that place, maybe this is old news to you, but you know, Ken Wilber, I don't know if you know Ken Wilber, he talks about the difference between a stage and a state. A stage and a state. So a state is like a state experience. It's like you're doing your gratitude, and in the moment of doing gratitude, you feel extremely grateful. Make sure you can hear me. You feel extremely grateful in the moment of doing gratitude. So that is a state experience of you having an experience of gratitude. It's a state. The difference is a stage. A stage happens once you've experienced a state enough. It becomes a more permanent stage. It's just how you're being. It's just how you're acting. It's how you wake up feeling. Does that make sense? So from doing a gratitude practice enough, you're going to get to the point, and I'm not saying I'm like this all the time because I'm not, but more and more and more and more, you become just, you live in a stage of gratitude. You live in an abundant, you live in a loving and compassionate and just grateful state. A grateful stage, I should say. And you don't need to try. It's not something you're doing consciously. It's just, you look around and you feel, and I'll go ahead and show you, you just feel, and you'll see some little kids playing. You just feel grateful. You just feel grateful for being here, you know? And when that happens, sort of graduated from, you know, the doing and the trying phase of gratitude and just the living and experiencing in that natural flow, in that natural abundance. So wherever you're at on your gratitude practice, if you're still doing it daily, which I do, I highly suggest you continue to do either a gratitude journal, or when you go to bed at night, you think of things you're grateful for. Or, you know, when you're meditating, you just go over some things you're grateful for. But as long as you continue to do that, all of a sudden a shift will happen in your mind, and you'll go from it being a practice to being a natural state of living. So that's my message for you today. Continue with your gratitude. Continue with the disciplines that you've set out to do. You know, the disciplines that you've set out to do in your gratitude practice. This is Aaron coming from the beautiful beach. I will talk with you soon. Have an amazing day. Bye-bye.